Hi guys, today I'm here at my car because I just received this smart charger for your categories, or you can use it also with your motorcycle batteries, but it's intended to charge your battery. So I already have my hood open, so what I'm going to do is open the package. It comes with the user manual and well the smart charger with the positive and negative terminals. So I'm gonna leave it like this and have a quick read. As you can see in the LCD, it tells us how much volts it has and its amperage. As you can see, it is working, and I set it up so it charged full my battery, which is really nice. So I'm just gonna leave it right there for a while so it charges. Okay, so as you can see, it's actually very easy to use. Obviously, you need to have much careful with these kinds of stuff because it can happen an accident, and well, obviously you don't want that now. So it's a great product. I will really recommend it.